Hey babes, I'm Sniffles, and today you will see me playing some bedwars. It was midnight, and I kinda did not know what I was doing. I hope you enjoy my suffering. Okay, let's go. One piece of fire, and what will it do? Oh, hi Gray, how are you doing? I hope you're doing good. Today's a pretty day, innit? It's midnight here, you know. He doesn't even see. Hi. No, 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 no. Oof! Don't go away. My bed. My precious bed. Jesus Christ, these people, these men, they have no respect for your privacy. Look at him. Look at him. I'm gonna take him. How did he make that jump? I'm curious. You see me golden appling? What do you do? Oh my god, my bed is gone. My bed is okay. Hey, no, why do you have that? Please tell me that. No, I can't lose. Oh my god. Oh my god. What do you mean? My heart is dying. What do you mean? What do you even mean? Are they coming for me? Bet they are. Is that bed gone or is it? What do you think you're doing with your stupid self? Stop! How? How? Oh,